You see my camera? Back and forth. We have a front, we have one inside on the car. That's my dashcam. Hindi na tayo dumaan sa El Camino. My fish, you eat food like at 2 or 3 weeks. 2 to 3 weeks. Because the other fish is you eat too much. You know the koi? You eat too much. The big one, yeah. Is enough to give it to the 1 tablespoon. Enough. You need more. My koi piece is the big one. Guys, dito ang YouTube, yung kalye na yan sa kaliwa, yan, yung tumatawid na yan, yan ang diretso ng YouTube sa may Cherry Avenue. What's the food of my koi piece? $7. 7? Yeah, $7 every 2 to 3 weeks. Early. This one is 8 o'clock, but it's only 7. Ingat, hindi ka mala tumitingin. You go out on the side eh. What you gonna do? I heard this. Today is Tuesday, tomorrow is street cleaning, so I wake up again at early. No way. I find the park on the... it's okay. I wake up at early na lang. Today is a Veterans Day. It's a holiday. tomorrow. Don't forget your phone, ha? Nasaan na yung phone mo?